Alright guys, today I want to show you the eBay Switchblade flip key that we made for the C5. These are somewhat abundant on eBay. They've got about 5 or 6 different housing types or styles. They're all around 38 bucks, and I'm going to link the one I've got down below in the description, and I'm going to link all the other ones. They're all through the same company out of Taiwan in the description. So this is the one I've got. I'll show it right here. Get up nice and close. Which way is my angle? There you go. Well, it's got all the basic buttons the factory fob does: lock, unlock, hatch open, and alarm. The back, they actually put this little bubble C5 logo sticker on the back. It's actually a pretty hard emblem. It's pretty cool. It does not come with a key, so you've got to get your own key blank, and I will link that in description too. There's a seller on eBay that sells them for around 8 bucks, I think. And he's got all the values for the different codes. I'll put a link to the Corvette forums if you don't know how to find your value for your VATS right there. I'll put a link to that thread, show you how to use a multimeter and find the ohms. So basically, you buy the key, have it cut, or if you have a spare key already, you cut the head off, not all the way off, you cut the head most of the way off, and you fit it inside this right here. It's got a roll pin, just like the Escalade Switchblade key in a previous video I showed. The roll pin goes in and holds it in place. Unlike the Escalade, this one works fantastic. Now, there is actually a video from another guy from the C5 Modified Facebook group that goes through in detail how to trim the key and cut it down with a Dremel or a hacksaw if that's all you've got to fit into here. He put a lot of time and effort into that video, so I'm not going to go through all the trouble of showing you what I did because I've already done it. I'm not in the mood to really go buy another one and do it again, so I'm going to link his video in the description as well. If you're interested in doing this, go ahead and check that video out, and he goes through step by step. He's got a different style key than mine. I prefer this one. So without further ado, while we've got this apart in the Project Vet, we've got the steering column covers off while I'm wiring up the 2012 C6 steering wheel, wiring up the radio controls and the airbag. And I'll do a more detailed video on that at some point too, to show you how to go about that big change that I did last summer, and we're just now getting back to wiring everything in correctly. Without further ado, Switchblade key, throw it where we can see in the ignition. So there you have it, guys. Check down below if you're interested in getting one of these yourself. Any questions, comment. I'm happy to help you out any way I can. I love doing all our custom work to the Project Vet. I hate paying people to do anything, and I'm fairly knowledgeable, so I can get by with most stuff. I'm happy to help anyone else out any way I can. Like and subscribe. I'm going to put more videos up, and not just of the Vet. We've got the Escalade. We've got the LS Swap 240 race car. We're going to be doing some work on the Shelby at some point, I'm sure. As always, anything I do, I'll try to do a how-to, and we try to help you out any way we can in the comments. Till next time, deuces.